Hi, my name is David Sarita. I've been practicing meditation now for 30 years on a daily basis. And what I'm offering you are some of the best meditations I've ever learned and a transformation of the very complicated Far Eastern and sometimes Far Western terminologies and philosophies that I feel are unnecessary to be part of meditation instruction. To allow you to have a more perfect experience of meditation without getting bogged down by terminologies, what I've done is I've designed a series of meditations that can allow you to have a deep mystical experience regardless of your religion or your non-religion or your beliefs, just by practicing purely as per the instructions I'm giving you. All of the different types of meditation that I teach, it's my suggestion that you get a really good cushion for your buttocks to sit on, cross-legged with your spine as straight as you can make it, eyes closed, and hands folded on your knees and leaning slightly forward. You can also get a zafu mat so you can sit on a double layer of a cushion. You have your round or square cushion for the buttocks, and then you have another cushion for your legs to be sitting on. You can also, if you need to, sit on your sofa or in a comfortable chair if you find this too difficult. For this particular meditation, you'll need a blindfold or some way of keeping your eyes closed, because we're about to go into a deep inner journey called 7 energy centers breathing that will really bring a lot of vitality and life to your 7 vital energy centers. This meditation is great for people who are suffering from clinical depression or just depression in general. And one of the great causes of depression is we get stuck inside and we get too knotted up and we don't release our emotions and we don't activate our energy enough, and we tend to get into these big energy deficits, so we fall down and we find a lack of energy or life force. This meditation is designed to bring that back for you. It's designed to bring you back to life from the lowest of the low, or even if you're not in a depression and you just want to bring a lot of life force into your body and your mind and clarity. This meditation is fantastic. It also can help elevate you to the point that you can reach very, very deep states of meditation that are so profound they can literally change your life forever. So please enjoy 7 energy centers breathing. Learning how to breathe into our 7 energy centers is vital to the success of meditation. Essentially, as Western civilization causes a lot of stress, a lot of emotions, a lot of very, very difficult challenges, we tend to get knotted up in our 7 energy centers. So the first thing we're going to do is just talk about what are the 7 energy centers and how does each center relate to our physiology, the organs in our bodies, and what kind of feelings or emotions can get tied up in each of these centers. So 7 energy centers breathing is designed to unlock and bring life back into these centers so that we can experience a whole body aliveness to prepare ourselves for deeper and deeper levels of realization and meditation. So we start with breathing in this meditation into the first chakra, the base of the spine. And what we're about to do is do 3 rounds that are approximately 15 minutes each of vigorous breathing and focus as we're breathing into each of these 7 energy centers. And if we really think about, for example, just hold your hand out right in front of you right now. And if you really concentrate on your hand and you start to feel the tingling sensation, the sensations of aliveness in the hand, what happens is as you apply awareness to your hand, more and more energy starts to flow into your hand. And the same thing happens in this meditation. As we're breathing into each of our 7 energy centers, it's very important to focus on that center when you're breathing. So you're sending energy and life force to that center to awaken it, to untie the knots, to free it, and to bring it back to life.